To install iPad OS, go to developer.apple.com, click on Account, sign into your account, go to the download section on the left hand side, or you can just go to developer.apple.com/download. Scroll down all the way down until you see iPad OS 13 beta. Click on this View All link. Select your iPad version and click on the link. You will find a file downloaded in your Downloads folder. It will end with IPSW. Once this is downloaded, go back to the website, click on Applications, click on XCode 11 Beta, and click on Download. Download XCode 11 Beta. You will get a XIP file. Double click on that, extract that file, and you will get the XCode app. Once XCode 11 Beta is installed, connect your iPad to the Finder. You will see the iPad in the Finder menu. This is only if you're running macOS Catalina. Click on Check for Update. Find for the IPSW file that you downloaded from Apple developers. Select it and click on Open. Now click on Update. The iPad will ask for the passcode and will restart multiple times. So wait patiently, go grab a coffee or have a chocolate in the meantime. In about 20 minutes or so, iPad OS should be installed on your iPad. If you want to install iOS 13 on your iPhone, the process is pretty much the same. You just need to install the iOS 13 installer from developer.apple.com instead of the iPad OS one. And instead of connecting your iPad to the Mac, connect your iPhone to the Mac and select the right installer, which is iOS 13 beta, and proceed. Backup your devices before you install the highly unstable beta versions. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. I'll be adding more videos in the coming days, so please subscribe to know what cool new features are on the latest iPad OS, iOS 13 and macOS Catalina. Thanks for watching.